as I already taught in the class, uncommon song I do not want to say in front of bodies, especially because Bangla song, if I sing you do not know, no interesting. If you know little, that is interesting. That song, as you know that Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was everybody knows he was a poet, he was a writer, he was a novelist, etc. Moreover, he wrote about 5,000 songs. So your Bengali community, his song is very popular. The title of the song is Ravindra Sangeet. This song used to sing in TV, radio and variety programs in India. You'll happy to listen also when Shillong Choir Group, they went Bangladesh, Dhaka. This song sang there in Bangladesh. As you know that in Bangladesh, Bangla language is there. So I'm singing that line, few lines in front of you. Jodi tore dak shune keu na ashe, তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে. Meaning of this song, whenever you go somewhere, suppose some tough places, suppose you are calling everyone, please come forward, we'll go there, we'll face the problems. Nobody is coming with you then. Have to go alone. Ekla cholo re, go alone. Now next stanza. Jodi keu kotha na koy, ore ore o bhaga, keu kotha na koy, jodi shobai থাকে মুখ ফিরায়, সবাই করে ভয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায়, সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পরাণ খুলে ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে, তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে. Thank you very much.